Today's video is sponsored by the Mr. Bitcoin. Choose the part of your clip where you want to apply the effect, cut 5 frames, duplicate it, and bring it on top. Select this second clip, and open it in the Fusion page. Disconnect your clip, bring a background node in empty space and connect that one to the endpoint. Bring down the alpha slider, and add a merge node after. Select your clip, and add a time stretcher node. Deactivate the keyframe button for the frame slider, and move the slider until you've got a frame that you like to use. Add a matte control after. Change the combine mode to alpha, and check the post multiply box. Bring a polygon mask, and make sure that it is connected to the green point of the matte control. Draw a rough shape around your frame. Go to the Effects library, under the Template, Edit, Effects and bring the Paper Edge node into your flow. Connect the polygon mask to this and then back to the green point of the matte control. Bring down the Smoothness slider. Duplicate the Paper Edge node, and connect the matte control to this second one. Add a merge node after, bring a paper texture image into your flow, and connect it to the merge as a foreground. Change the operation to in, and the apply mode to screen. If you want, you can add a brightness and contrast node to adjust your paper texture. Connect your clip to the merge node as a foreground. Again, if you want, you can add a corrector node to adjust your image. With the merge node selected, move your image and place it wherever you like. Go back to the edit page, and increase the length of your clip. Duplicate this one, and bring the copy on top of it. Move it 5 frames forward and make sure the endpoints are aligned. Open this last copy in the Fusion page, and now the only thing you need to do is to change the frame in the time stretcher node, and adjust the final position of the image in the merge node. Repeat this process for every frame, and your hyper-realistic effect is ready. Subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you have no other choice.